Hey there, security enthusiasts. Have you been wondering which 4K security camera system deserves your hard-earned money? Are you tired of grainy footage that leaves you guessing who or what triggered your motion sensors? Well, you're in the right place because today we're counting down the top 7 4K security cameras on the market right now. I've spent months testing these systems in various conditions to bring you the most comprehensive review possible. So, let's dive right in and find out which camera reigns supreme in the world of ultra-high-definition surveillance. Number 7. Lorex 4K Dual-Lens Wi-Fi Security Camera. Starting our countdown at number 7 is the Lorex 4K Dual-Lens Wi-Fi Security Camera. This camera immediately stands out with its unique dual-lens design that provides a full 180 degrees panoramic view. During my testing, I found this feature particularly useful for monitoring large areas like driveways or backyards that would typically require multiple cameras. The 4K resolution delivers crisp, detailed footage with a video resolution of 496 x 1856 at 15 FPS, which is impressive for identifying faces and license plates. One of the standout features is the smart security lighting with customizable LED light band, offering over 16 million color options. You can assign specific colors to different motion events, which I found helpful for quickly identifying what triggered the camera. The color night vision works reasonably well when there's ambient lighting, but I noticed it switches to infrared black and white mode in complete darkness, which is somewhat disappointing for a premium 4K camera. The camera comes with a pre-installed 32GB microSD card, which is expandable up to 256 GB. However, I found this storage fills up rather quickly when recording in 4K, especially if you have multiple motion triggers throughout the day. You'll likely need to upgrade the storage or be prepared to manage your recordings frequently. The two-way audio feature works adequately, though I experienced some delay in the communication, which could be frustrating in real-time interactions. Number 6. Safemo 4K UHD Security Cameras. Coming in at number 6 is the Safemo 4K Wireless Security Camera System. This solar-powered setup immediately caught my attention with its eco-friendly approach and promise of subscription-free security. The system includes cameras that can record an impressive 4K resolution, providing clear, detailed footage that makes identifying people and objects much easier than standard HD cameras. During my testing, I found the solar charging feature to be genuinely useful, eliminating the hassle of regularly recharging batteries. The panels only need about 2 to 3 hours of direct sunlight daily to keep the cameras powered, which worked well in my sunny location. However, I did notice that during extended cloudy periods, the battery life began to diminish faster than advertised, so the forever power claim should be taken with a grain of salt. The local storage on the 32GB hub is a nice touch for avoiding subscription fees, though it fills up rather quickly when recording in 4K, and you'll likely want to upgrade to an SSD for more substantial storage. The motion detection capabilities are reasonably good, with the ability to distinguish between people, vehicles, pets, and packages. I found the person detection to be quite reliable, though the pet and package detection sometimes triggered false positives. The app interface is intuitive and allows for easy access to live feeds and recorded footage, though I occasionally experience delays when trying to access the cameras remotely, which could be frustrating during potential security events. Number 5. REOLINK Smart 5MP 8CH. Moving up to number 5 on our list is the REOLINK Smart 8H security system. While not technically a full 4K system, it's 5 megapixel rather than 8 megapixel. This powerhouse delivers exceptional clarity that rivals many 4K systems on the market. During my extensive testing, I was consistently impressed by the system's reliability and image quality, which provides more than enough detail to identify faces and license plates at distances up to 100 feet. The REOLINK system comes with a robust 8-channel NVR network video recorder with a pre-installed 2TB hard drive, which provides ample storage for continuous recording from multiple cameras. The PoE, Power over Ethernet technology, is a game changer, allowing for a single cable to provide both power and data transmission to each camera. This significantly simplified my installation process and eliminated the need for separate power outlets near each camera location. The night vision capabilities of the REOLINK cameras are truly impressive, with 18 infrared LEDs in each camera, providing clear black and white footage up to 100 feet away in complete darkness. During my nighttime tests, I could easily make out details that would be completely lost on lesser systems. The motion detection is highly customizable, allowing you to set specific zones and schedules for each camera, which dramatically reduced false alerts from things like swaying trees or passing cars. 4. ZOSI 4K Ultra HD Security Camera. Securing the fourth position in our countdown is the ZOSI 4K Ultra HD Security Camera System. This PoE NVR system delivers true 4K resolution at 20 frames per second, providing exceptionally detailed footage that makes identifying people and objects a breeze. During my testing, I was particularly impressed by the system's ability to capture fine details even at considerable distances, making it ideal for monitoring larger properties. The ZOSI system features starlight sensors that enable color night vision, which is a significant upgrade from the standard infrared night vision found in many security cameras. During my nighttime tests, the cameras produced vibrant, colorful footage that made identification much easier than with traditional black and white night vision. The built-in spotlights further enhance nighttime visibility and serve as an effective deterrent to potential intruders. I found that the spotlights activated reliably when motion was detected, illuminating my yard with bright, clear light. One of the standout features of the ZOSI system is its AI human detection capability, which significantly reduces false alerts. Throughout my testing period, the system accurately distinguished between human movement and other motion sources like animals or swaying branches. This smart detection, combined with customizable motion zones, meant I received far fewer unnecessary notifications compared to other systems I've tested. The two-way audio feature works exceptionally well, with clear sound quality that makes communication easy and effective. Number 3. Eufy Security eufyCam S330. Taking the bronze medal at number 3 is the Eufy Security eufyCam S330, a truly innovative security system that combines cutting-edge technology with practical features. The standout feature of this system is its integrated solar panel, which only needs about 2 hours of direct sunlight daily to maintain an essentially infinite battery life. During my 3-month testing period, I never once had to manually charge the cameras, which is a remarkable achievement in the wireless security camera space. The video quality of the S330 is nothing short of spectacular, with true 4K UHD resolution that captures incredible detail. During my testing, I could clearly read license plates from up to 10 meters away and identify faces with remarkable clarity. The 135-degree field of view provides excellent coverage, while the 8x zoom allows you to focus on specific areas of interest without losing detail. The color night vision, powered by a built-in starlight sensor with an f1.4 aperture, delivers vivid, colorful footage even in low light conditions, which is a significant improvement over the grainy black and white footage produced by many competitors. Perhaps the most impressive feature of the eufyCam S330 is its Bionic Mind AI facial recognition technology. Unlike basic person detection found in many security cameras, this system actually learns to recognize familiar faces over time, allowing you to receive customized alerts based on who is detected. Number 2. Arlo Ultra 2 Spotlight Camera. Securing the second spot on our countdown is the Arlo Ultra 2 Spotlight Camera, a premium wireless security system that delivers exceptional performance across the board. The Ultra 2 captures stunning 4K HDR video that provides incredible detail and clarity in all lighting conditions. During my testing, I was consistently impressed by the camera's ability to capture fine details that would be lost on lesser systems, making it much easier to identify people and objects even at significant distances. The Ultra 2's color night vision is among the best I've tested, with an integrated spotlight that illuminates the scene and ensures full color recording even in complete darkness. The 180-degree field of view with auto image correction eliminates the fisheye distortion common in wide-angle cameras, providing a natural-looking perspective that covers a vast area. The 12x digital zoom allows you to focus on specific details without sacrificing image quality, which proved invaluable when I needed to identify a suspicious vehicle parked across the street. One of the standout features of the Arlo Ultra 2 is its advanced Smart Hub, which not only provides local storage options, but also enhances the wireless range and battery life of the cameras. During my testing, I achieved consistent connectivity even with cameras placed at the far corners of my property, and the battery life regularly exceeded 2 months between charges with normal usage. The magnetic charging system makes recharging quick and convenient, with the cable easily snapping into place without fumbling with port covers or connectors. 1. Swann 4K Security Camera System. Claiming the top spot on our list is the Swann 4K Security Camera System, a truly exceptional surveillance solution that combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features and outstanding reliability. After extensive testing across various conditions and scenarios, I can confidently say this system offers the most comprehensive security package available today, delivering unmatched performance that justifies its position as our #1 pick. The Swann system's 4K Ultra HD cameras capture breathtaking detail with crystal-clear resolution that makes identification of people, vehicles, and other objects remarkably easy. During my testing, I could clearly read license plates from significant distances and identify facial features with exceptional clarity, both crucial capabilities for effective security monitoring. The TrueDetect heat and motion sensors, combined with intelligent person detection, provide highly reliable alerts while minimizing false notifications from irrelevant movement like swaying trees or passing animals. The night-to-day color night vision is simply outstanding, with powerful spotlights that illuminate up to 65 feet from the cameras, ensuring full color recording even in complete darkness. This feature not only enhances the quality of nighttime footage, but also serves as an effective deterrent to potential intruders. During my nighttime tests, the system consistently produced vivid, detailed color footage that rivaled daytime recording quality, setting a new standard for night vision performance in the security camera market. One of the most impressive aspects of the Swann system is its versatility and ease of use. The cameras feature long-lasting rechargeable batteries that provided up to 3 months of operation between charges during my testing. Final thought. So there you have it, folks. After months of rigorous testing, the Swann 4K security camera system stands tall as our top pick for 2025. Whether you're protecting your home, business, or other property, investing in a quality 4K security camera system provides peace of mind that's truly priceless. Remember, the best system for you depends on your specific needs, budget, and property layout, so consider your requirements carefully before making a decision. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our latest tech reviews.